Welcome to my channel. Why buying used engines and transmissions from trusted suppliers makes sense in 2025. 1. Save big on costs. Used engines and transmissions cost 40 to 60% less than brand new ones, making repairs budget-friendly in 2025. 2. Quality tested parts. Trusted suppliers provide fully inspected and tested units, ensuring you get reliable performance. 3. Warranty included. In 2025, most reputed sellers offer 6 to 24 months warranty, giving peace of mind and protection. 4. Environment-friendly choice. Buying used reduces manufacturing waste and supports eco-friendly automotive recycling. 5. OEM compatibility. Used OEM parts fit perfectly with your vehicle model. No cheap aftermarket mismatch issues. 6. Faster availability. No long factory wait times. Trusted suppliers keep ready to ship stock for quick installation. 7. Verified mileage engines. Reputable sellers share accurate mileage and history so you know what you're getting. 8. Lower depreciation loss. Installing a used engine keeps your total repair cost low, helping improve vehicle resale value. 9. Better than rebuilt units. Many used engines perform better than rebuilt, remanufactured because they come untouched from running vehicles. 10. Expert support and guidance. Good suppliers assist with fitment, compatibility, shipping, and installation, making the process smooth. Thanks for watching.